Good morning, class. My name is Jared Kurt Caballo, and today we will try to answer my quiz number 1, item number 3. So, what we have what we have to do is we will find the diameter endpoint. So, our given is 3, 1, -6, -7, and 6. Now, what we need to use is the distance formula. So d is equal to square. This is square root. This is assume that this is square root class kasi. Yes. So square root parenthesis x sub 2 minus x sub 1 raised to 2 plus parenthesis y sub 2 minus y sub 1 raised to 2 or squared. Now, let's replace our values. So x sub 2, what is our x sub 2? -7. Then x sub 1, which is 3, is 2 plus y sub 2 is 6, y sub 1 is what? Raised to 2. Now, let's 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 combine our like terms. So, -7 minus 3 is -10. Negative, 6 minus 1 is 5. Now that we have that, let's simplify it. So -10 raised to 2 is 100, and 5 raised to 2 is 25. So, therefore, we have one combined like terms. Therefore, we have 125, 125. But we can still simplify this. So 5 square root of 5. So that is our diameter. So yeah, thank you guys.